Sofia the First, Princess Sofia, her friends Mia and Whatnaught. Okay, so we're going to start with Mia on top, spell her name, M-I-A. Okay, we're going to start with her head, okay? So we're going to draw a circle. And all the way, okay? And then we're going to draw her mouth here. The triangle. And bottom part of the triangle. Then we'll connect her head. And we'll draw her eyes. Okay? Eyes. Okay. Draw her body here. The U shape, and we'll draw her wing, okay? So let's do the right wing first. We'll go up from her neck, come all the way down, and go back to her body, okay? And we'll draw some lines here for her feather. Okay. Then we'll draw the other wing. And we'll draw the feather here. Now we'll draw her feet, okay? So we're going to draw the talon here. One toe, sharp toe. Come back down and go connect it. And then the other ones here. Same thing, but a little bit shorter, okay? Now we'll draw the tail here. And then her longer tail has 3 feathers, okay? 1, 2, 3. So that is Mia. Okay, now we will draw Whatnaught. Let's start with spelling his name first, okay? Or her name. Okay, W H A T N A U G H T. Okay, now we'll start with the eyes of the squirrel, okay? So here we go. 2 half circles. Okay, we'll do the same on the other side. Circular eyes in the middle. And we'll draw her nose, the nose here, a U shape. Okay, and then it's going to expand to the top over the eyes and come back down. Okay, same thing on the other side. Go over the eyes, come back down next to the eyes. Okay. Then we'll draw nose, and we'll do a line for the mouth, and then we'll have 2 front teeth, okay? And now we'll draw the cheeks. Okay, so we'll do the right cheek first. Curve down, go back up, and we'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, now we're gonna draw the rest of the head. On top here, we're gonna go around half a circle. And we'll draw the ears. Okay, and this one's going to go up like this. Come down in a curve. Go back up. And then the rest of the ears there. Now we'll draw the body and the arms, okay? So let's do the body first, U shape. Okay, and we'll draw the arm of the squirrel here. Stop here, okay? And we'll draw the other arm here. And go back up. And then we'll draw a couple fingers here. So the hands are actually overlaps, so we don't see the other side, okay? And now we're going to draw the back of the squirrel. And this is where the hind leg is, okay? So we're going to draw a leg here. Okay, and then this is going to go up to the hand, and then this is the tummy of the squirrel, and then we'll draw the other leg here. Come down, go back in. Okay, and now we'll draw the tail here. Go all the way up from here. It's a big bushy tail. Okay, all the way down. Then we're gonna have a short curve up here, and then we'll draw the rest of the tail from here, from this point. We'll curve up and come back down. And now we'll draw a couple lines on the tail. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's one walnut, okay? Now we can color them, okay? You'll trace them first and we'll color them.